can't I just put ammonia in my DEF tank? Um, Ammonia is a component of urea, but urea is manufactured by combining carbon dioxide and ammonia under high pressure and temperature to make the urea that would then they use to actually manufacture the DEF. So don't use anything other than DEF in your DEF tank because it will not only not work, it will throw off the ratios and will cause the DEF to not work. So dumping a bottle of ammonia into your DEF tank isn't going to solve anything, and the odds are not in your favor because it'll probably make things worse and not better. And the $16 you saved on that 2.5 gallons of DEF is going to cost you 10, 1,000 times that in potential repairs. So just stick with the DEF out of